Hello folks, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wanted to use AI with your Excel data but stop because of data confidentiality and privacy concern? Because in many organizations, you simply cannot upload your company's confidential Excel data to an AI website. So the question is, how can you still use AI to automate your Excel work? How can you generate Excel formulas using AI? And how can you get help with complex Excel formulas? And most importantly, how can you automate your Excel work using AI without becoming a programmer? That's exactly what we are going to learn in this masterclass. You'll learn how to use AI to create powerful Excel formulas, how to get formula assistant from AI, and how to use AI to automate repetitive Excel tasks. Yes, you heard that right. How you can automate your daily work using AI. But that's not all. We are also going to take it one step further. You'll learn how you can use simple code generated with AI and integrate that code with Excel to automate your work. And don't worry, you don't need to become a professional programmer. You don't need to learn hundreds of lines of codes. You simply need to understand what you want to automate and how to explain that requirement to AI and how to use the code generated by AI in Excel. And that's the real power of AI. And there is another question that many people are asking today. Will AI replace my job? And my answer is AI is not necessarily going to replace you. But a person who knows how to use AI may have huge advantage over someone who doesn't. And that's why learning how to use AI is becoming an important skill. And this masterclass is designed exactly for that. We are going to show you how AI can become your Excel assistant, how it can help you create formulas, how it can help you solve Excel problems, and how it can help you automate your repetitive task, repetitive work. And the best part is you don't need an expensive AI subscription to follow this masterclass. And you don't have to write any single line of code too. So we are going to demonstrate these concepts using free AI tools, including the free version of ChatGPT, or else you can use the Gemini wherever it is applicable. So if you are an Excel user, if you spend hours every day working with Excel, and if you want to learn how AI can make your Excel work faster, smarter, and more automated, then this masterclass is for you. Our mentor Shakti Sharma will take you through everything step by step, from basics to practical automation. So don't just learn Excel anymore. Learn how to use AI with Excel, because the future is not Excel versus AI. The future is Excel with AI. So, if you're ready to see how AI can completely change the way you work with Excel, then let's get started.
Thank you so much, Satisha, for the wonderful introduction. Hello, friends. I'm Shakti Sharma, and I am excited to take you through this Excel with AI masterclass. We are going to see how AI can make your everyday Excel work faster, smarter, and easier. So, if you are ready, then let's begin. So, friends, before we start with AI masterclass, I request everyone to please create ChatGPT account. If you already created, then let me know in the comment section. Just type yes. If you didn't create it, don't worry at all. I will explain each and everything in simple and practical way. What you can do is you can simply click on this link available, or if you want you can go to Google Chrome and just type chatgpt.com in the search bar. Once you click, what will happen? The ChatGPT web page will open. So this is the ChatGPT, right? As I already told you, if you want to create a ChatGPT account, simply you need to click on this login option available. Okay, login or sign up for free. Once you click, a small pop-up will appear. It will ask you how to create a ChatGPT account. So different methods are available. Like you can just sign in with continue with Google, or continue with Apple, continue with mobile number. If you want, you can just type your email ID, click on continue, enter the password, and finally your account will be created and you will be signing into ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can see I am using the free plan of ChatGPT, which is free. If you want to upgrade, just to go with this option available. Now I will give you 5 minutes of time. Please create your account. It is very simple. Just you need to follow the steps. After creating the ChatGPT account, you can just type created in the comment section so that I will get clarity like how many people already have the account and how many of you recently created the ChatGPT account. Alright, now finally the account is created. Now you need to log into ChatGPT and let me show you the interface of ChatGPT, which is very important because if you are using the ChatGPT for the first time, you need to understand like which options are available at which place. Okay, now look it over here guys. At the center we can see one small white color box. It is just like the search bar. So basically here you can type your command. Like if you want to ask anything to ChatGPT, you can simply type it over here. Like if you want to give any prompt to ChatGPT, simply you can type it over here. Or let's suppose if you don't want to type, you can just use the mic option available. So just by using this option, you can simply dictate. So what will happen? No need of doing any manual typing. You can just use the mic so that the ChatGPT can automatically translate the voice into text format. Okay, guys. In the same way, let me show you one more important option. It is a small plus icon available. So what is the use of this? Let me tell you. If you click on this plus icon, you can upload different files. Like if you want to upload any image, PDF, Excel file, document file, anything, you can just upload by using this plus icon available. Now you need to focus at the left hand side panel available. Okay, it is ChatGPT where you can see just by using this option you can expand and collapse the panel. So what is the use of this? Let me tell you. Just you need to understand what are the options available. First option is new chat. If you want to open one new chat page, you can just go with new chat. Next we have images, library, schedule, plugins. You need to just explore all the option, and below we can see the recent chats. So these are all the recent chat which I have already chatted with ChatGPT. And below you can see your account information, like this is my account. The name is Shakti Skill. I am using the free account of ChatGPT. If you want to upgrade, you can just go with this option available. Okay guys. With this, I hope it is clear what are the options available in ChatGPT. These are very simple options, just you need to understand. When you explore for 2-3 minutes, you will get clarity like what is chat, what is the use of upload, and what is mic, and each and everything. Are you guys ready for the AI Masterclass Excel with ChatGPT? If yes, then just type excited in the comment section, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now let's get started. I will open the Excel file and show you the data. Now look here guys carefully. I have taken one Excel file. The file name is module 1 formulas using AI. Now inside this Excel file, I have taken three different sheets: HR data, raw sales, and the employee 2. The practice file link is given in the description below, so no need of taking any tension. Just you need to download them and start practicing along with me. As you know already, this is the Excel file module 1 formula using AI. Now let's see how actually ChatGPT can do our work. But before we take help of ChatGPT, first of all you need to know the question, in the same way understand the data, right? So on the screen I have taken this HR data sheet. This sheet contains the complete HR data like employee ID column, first name, last name, age, gender of employee, department in which the employee is working. Next we have the position column, salary column, joining date. Now my simple question is I want to find the tenure for each employee. So basically, I want to calculate the tenure of each employee using this joining date column. I already have the joining date of employee. Now what I need to do is I need to just find like from how many years or month or days each employee is working in the company. So basically, I want to see the time period in years, month and day. If you want to do it manually, then you can take help of dated function in Excel, but I will not recommend because that is very big formula. So what you can do is you can simply calculate the tenure just by taking help of ChatGPT. Yes, it is possible. So first let me show you the prompt which I am using. On the screen you can see this is module 1 prompt 1. Now let me tell you one important point. In this complete AI masterclass, I will be using total 3 different module. Each module will contain different question and I will be giving you the prompt also. So this is the first question prompt. First we will understand the prompt. Later we will take help of this prompt and just paste in the chat GPT and we will find the solution. So no need of doing any manual work in Excel. Alright. So first we will see the prompt carefully. So this is the first question prompt. Let's understand. I work as an Excel operator and I have a data set where column I contain the employee joining date. Okay, we know already. I want to calculate the duration since each employee joined the company specifically in terms of year, month and days. Please provide a formula to achieve this. So what we are doing, we are just giving the prompt to ChatGPT to give the formula to find the tenure of each employee. I hope you guys understood the prompt, right? It is very simple. We are just using the human language to communicate with ChatGPT. Now let's see whether the I column is correct or not. Yes, the joining date column is available in the I column. It is correct. Now what we are going to do, listen carefully. We will simply copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and let's see the power of ChatGPT, how it can actually give the formula without doing any manual work. Are you guys ready? Then let's get started. I will open the ChatGPT. Right. I will copy the prompt. Wait for few seconds. Okay, copy the prompt and paste it over here. Now let's see the power of this. I will simply click on send prompt and wait for few seconds. Let's see the power of ChatGPT. And finally, it's completely amazing. Look it over here, guys. It has finally generated the formula. If you want, you can zoom in like this, or let me close the sidebar. Right. I think the screen is visible. Now finally what ChatGPT has done, it has generated the formula. So no need of typing formula in Excel manually. Just you need to give the prompt to ChatGPT and it will finally generate the formula. Okay. Now let's see whether it will work or not. I will copy the formula, open the Excel file and look here guys, I will paste the formula in this particular cell, Control V. And finally, it's done. Listen carefully. What I have done, I have copied the formula from ChatGPT and I have pasted here. And finally, you will get the tenure as 10 years, 7 months, and 18 days, which is completely amazing. So, no need of typing any formula manually. Look here, guys. This formula is very big, right? If you type manually, it will take hardly 10 minutes. But just by taking help of ChatGPT, within millisecond, it will generate the formula, which is completely excellent. So you need to use the AI tool in order to save your time because when you save your time in company, then you can get promotion. Okay. So make sure you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will show you lot more amazing question and tricks by which you can save your time and you can impress your manager in company. Right? So this is the formula the ChatGPT has generated. We can see the data div today date function which is now let's click enter. In the same way you can just double click on this and finally for each employee we can see the tenure, right? I hope it is clear how actually you can take help of ChatGPT. What I have done, I have simply pasted the prompt. So this is the prompt, right? Simply you need to paste the prompt, give the prompt to ChatGPT, and finally it will give you the formula. It will give you some information also like joining date, result. In the same way, these are the formulas like if you want to extract only year, you can just go with this formula. If you want to find the month, click on month, find days, you can just go with this option. Let's see, I will copy this one, go to ChatGPT, sorry, Excel. Now paste the formula here and finally it will return the year in this particular cell just by using this formula which is used to extract the year. I hope it is clear, right? In the same way, let's see the other formula. If you want only month, copy this one. Now go to Excel, Control V, and now it will give you the month in this way. I hope you guys are understanding, right? So in this way, you can take help of ChatGPT to find the solution for this first question. It will automatically generate the formula. So no need of doing any manual work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming updates. I hope it is clear, right? Now let's suppose if you want to filter the record, like I want to find only the employees who are working more than 5 years in the company. If you want such type of filtering, what you can do is either you can take only the years just by using this formula. Yeah, this is the formula, right? I will copy this formula, go to Excel, paste it over here, right? Double click on this. Now what you can do is you can simply apply the filter. I will take here years. So basically I am showing how you can apply the filtering. I will simply type here years, right? I want to filter only the employees who are working more than 5 years in the company. Okay. Let's apply the filter Alt 80, which is the shortcut key to apply the filter. Perfect filter we can see. I want to filter according to greater than 5 years. Just to go with this option, greater than, yes, greater than, type here 5, click enter. Now what actually filter will do, it will filter only the employees who are working more than 5 years in the company. Okay guys, so this is one powerful trick. If you want to take help of ChatGPT, you can just take help. As I am asking the ChatGPT to allow the mic. So listen carefully. I want to generate the complete list of employees who are working more than 5 years in the company. So please give me any one kind of formula so that I can filter the data completely. Now let's see the power of ChatGPT. I have given the question. Sorry, let's remove hello the mic. So listen carefully. I want to generate the complete list of employees who are working more than 5 years in company. Okay. I have simply given one simple command to ChatGPT. Now it has given one formula, filter formula. Let's see this formula. I will just go to Excel file. Now let me show you the power of this. Just listen carefully. I will remove the filter first. Alt A T. Right. Now I will be using the filter formula here. Paste it over here. Okay, it is showing some error. Let me check it out. What is the error? I got it. Listen carefully. What actually it has taken the range from A2 cell to Z1000 cell. Okay, our data is not available till Z column. My data is available till K column only. Okay, so the data range is till K column. So what we will do, we will give the command to ChatGPT. In the same way, if you want, you can see the last row of the data. It is 101. Right. Our data is till K column. Let me go to ChatGPT. Now listen carefully. My data is till K column and total number of rows are 101. Give me the exact formula according to the range which I have mentioned. Okay. Now let us see guys. Let's see whether it can generate the formula or not. These are very simple. Just you need to practice. Yes, it has given the formula. Column A to K have 101 rows. Let me check it out. I will copy this, go to Excel file, paste the formula here. And finally, look here guys, it's completely amazing, right? As you can observe, it will generate the complete record of employees who are working more than 5 years in the company, right? So this is the complete record. And now let me tell you guys what it has given. It has given the filter formula. This filter formula is available in the latest version of Excel. If you are using the old version, the filter formula will be not available. If you want to apply the filter, you can just do the manual work. Okay, this is where AI can really save your time. I hope it is clear, right? Now let's move on to the second Excel question. I will open the Excel file, right? Here I will be taking one small data, raw sales data I have taken. Okay. Now listen carefully. This raw sales data contain lot of blank rows, right? So this is one blank row. So what is our task? Our task is to delete all the blank rows from this raw sales data. I think most of you guys already know how to delete the blank rows. It is very simple. We need to do the manual work like go to special, click on blanks like this. But if you want to understand how actually ChatGPT can do this, then what we will do, we will take help of prompt 2. Listen carefully. This is a prompt to find the solution for the second question. I have an Excel file where I want to remove blank rows from this file. So tell me steps to remove all the blank rows. Okay guys, this is very simple prompt. Now let's open ChatGPT and see the power of ChatGPT once again. I will copy the prompt, paste it over here. I hope you guys are practicing along with me, right? Now let's click on this option available, send prompt. Let's see the power of this once again. And finally, it has given the steps in order to work. Listen carefully. First method, go to special. As we know already, it is very simple. Go to special, press G, click on special, blanks, click OK, home, delete sheet. In the same way, it has given safer method for completely blank rows, data filter blank values like this. So first we will go with the method 1 only. Let's open Excel file. Listen carefully. First of all, you need to copy the complete data, right? So my data is from A1 cell to I32 cell. Okay. Now simply you need to press Ctrl G on keyboard. Go to special dialog box. Click on special. Now what ChatGPT has given? It has told us to click on blanks. Click on blanks. Click OK. Now finally all the blank rows are selected. Now simply press Ctrl minus on keyboard. Now you will get one pop-up delete. From here I want to delete the entire row. Click on entire row, click OK, and finally it's done. Just with the help of ChatGPT suggestion, we can finally delete the complete blank rows available in the data. I hope it is clear, right? So what actually ChatGPT has given? It has given the method one to go to special. You need to follow the steps like this. Okay. And if a row has some blank cell but also contain employee data, don't use this method blindly. Excel may delete row that aren't. So what actually ChatGPT is giving? It is giving the suggestion also, like what is the note you need to understand. Like let's suppose inside the Excel file, if your data contain any cell, like this is the data which contain the complete blank cell, and we have the record of transaction ID like this, then don't go with the first method. You need to follow the second method which it is telling like this. Okay, so you need to filter the data like this. I hope it is clear, right? Now let's see the next question of AI Masterclass. I will open the Excel file, go to employee to sheet, right? Here I have taken one small employee data which contain employee ID column, name column, age column, gender column, designation, and the salary column. Now listen carefully, my question is very simple. I want to find designation wise total salary. What is my question? For each designation, I want to find total salary. If you want, you can just use the unique formula. Let's suppose if you want to find only the unique designation, what you can do is you can simply remove the duplicate like this. Let me demonstrate. Select the range, click enter. Now you will get complete designation. How many are designation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total we have 8 designation. If you want to calculate total salary for each designation, it is completely time consuming because we need to use the SUMIF formula. So what you can do is instead of using SUMIF formula or doing any manual work, we can take help of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. Just by taking help of ChatGPT, you can get the solution. Let me show you the prompt for this. Right. Here I will be using the prompt 3 in module 1. Listen carefully, what is the prompt? In my Excel file, column E contain employee designation and column F contain the salaries. I want to calculate the total salary of each designation. Please provide step-by-step process along with the formula to do this. Okay, the prompt is very simple, just you need to understand. Now let's open ChatGPT. I will copy the prompt. Wait for few seconds. I hope you guys are practicing along with me, right? Now just to paste the prompt here. Done. If you want, you can check whether the columns are correct or not because this is very important. E column designation, F column salary. Let me check it out. Right. It is correct. Let's run this. Wait for few seconds. Let's see the power of ChatGPT. And finally, it has given one formula. Enter the formula here. SUMIF formula. Okay, it has given the complete formula. First it has given, if you want to if you want Excel to generate the designation list automatically, then you need to take help of unique formula. So first of all, you need to find the unique designation. As I already shown you, you can just simply take help of unique formula. But what I will do, I will just tell the ChatGPT I don't have the unique formula, what to do. Okay, because the unique formula is available in the latest version of Excel only. I will just give the instruction to ChatGPT. Listen carefully. In my Excel, I don't have the unique formula. What to do now? Let's see, guys. Just to wait for a few seconds. No problem. Okay. Remove duplicate. Right. As you know already, first of all, you need to take help of remove duplicate option available. Now let me show to you. So what you can do is you can simply copy this complete designation. I am showing to those people who don't have the unique formula in Excel. It is very simple. Copy this, paste it over here. Now go to data tab. Under data tab, there is one option, remove duplicate. Yes, I don't have data header. I can simply click OK. and finally all the duplicate values are removed. You will get only the unique values. So basically you can take help of unique formula also, which I have already shown to you. Now let's see the formula. I will just copy this formula, which is sum if formula, right? Copy this formula, go to ChatGPT Excel. Now paste the formula here, and finally we can see the value, which is total salary of sales designation. In the same way you can drag like this, and finally it has given total salary for each designation, which is completely amazing. Let's see what formula it has taken. It has given sum if formula. Here we can see it has taken the absolute reference also, and this is the relative reference, which is completely amazing, right? If you do it manually, it will take hardly 5 minutes, but with the help of ChatGPT, you can do this within millisecond. So guys, finally we have done with module 1, which is completely amazing. I hope you guys are practicing along with me. Now in the next module, we will see some advanced topic.
Folks, we will continue with this video, but before that, I would like to share an important piece of information with you. The information is all about to do the automation in Excel. Yes, you heard that right. If you are using Microsoft Excel since long and you are doing manual stuff, then let me tell you, this time is to upgrade your knowledge and upgrade your work. Now, there is a huge possibility that AI will replace your work. Then before that, you must have to upgrade your working style. Means if you are doing same thing again and again, that is repetitive task. But if you use automation for that task, then it will definitely help you to save your time. But what am I talking about? I'm talking about Excel Booster add-ins, that is AI powered Excel Booster add-ins that we have designed specially for the Excel user, those who are doing manual work. Suppose take an example, you have several Excel files and you want to append these files into one master file. In order to do that, you may do a manual work like copy pasting, or else you may have no knowledge of Power Query. But again, you need to do several steps in order to apply the Power Query automation, right? But here it is, we have created Excel Booster, and if you click the append Excel file automations in Excel Booster, then what will happen? It will select all the file and append automatically, and also it will create the automation of Power Query. Not only that, guys, there are so many automations. Suppose take example, if you are having a raw data like this and you wanted to build dashboard like this, which is completely interactive, means you can click anywhere on the chart, anywhere on the visuals, and see the reflection. It's like a Power BI and Tableau dashboard. So if you are not having knowledge of creating dashboard inside Power BI and Tableau, so do not worry. And even if you create a dashboard in that, you need to have a subscription in order to publish these dashboards and share with your management. But here it is the key secret. In Excel Booster, if you created this dashboard, you can share with anyone. You can customize this dashboard according to your requirement. And if you're really excited to know about this dashboard more, you can see the video detail in the description. I've created separate video on this, and also you can check our Excel Booster website where you can find video related to these. So if you are really interested, go and check out excelbooster.com website. For now, we are jumping back to our topic. This is about the Excel Booster automation tool, which will help you to automate your regular work. Now let's jump to our main topic.
In this module 2, we will see how to create our own Excel formulas using AI. Yes, if you want to create your own formula, then you can take help of AI in order to create the formula. If you want, let me show you one new data I am taking. The file name is module 2 generate formulas using AI. Okay guys, all the practice files are provided, no need to take any tension. This Excel file contains multiple sheets, reverse name, separate city and city code, extract email. So first we will go with the sheet 1, which is reverse name. Now inside the sheet we can see one single column which contain the customer name. Let me zoom in and show to you so that you will get clarity. Now what is my question? Listen carefully. This customer name column contain the first name and last name of the customers. Okay, this is the first name and this is the last name. We can see one space is available between first name and the last name of each customer name, and every first character of first and last name is starting with uppercase and the remaining characters are lowercase. Now listen carefully, my question is very simple. First I want the last name, next I want the first name. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible just by taking help of AI. With the help of ChatGPT, we can create our own formulas, which is completely amazing. Now let me demonstrate how it actually works. Let's see the module 2 prompt 1. Okay, so this is the first question of module 2. Let's see the prompt. It is very simple guys, just you need to understand it. In my Excel file, the employee names are written as first name, last name in a single cell. I want to reverse the order so that it display as last name, first name. Please provide a VBA code to create a custom formula for this. So what we are telling to ChatGPT, we are asking the ChatGPT to generate the VBA code by which we can create one new formula in Excel. So what is that formula used for? It is used to get the reverse order of the name. Okay, so basically we need to find the reverse order of last name and the first name like this. We need to change the position of first and last name. Now let's see whether ChatGPT can do this or not. Let's go to ChatGPT. Right, I will copy the formula. Okay, Shakti sir, paste it over here. Now click enter. Wait for few seconds. I think most of you guys already know what is VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basics for Application. So inside the VBA code, we can do lot of transformation. So basically we can do automation task. We can generate the formulas. We can do lot of work. Let's see one by one. So this is the VBA code it has given. First you need to press Alt F11 on keyboard. Okay, to open the VBA code. Now insert module, paste the code. So it has generated the VBA code. The formula is reverse name formula. Okay guys, right. Now first of all let me open the Excel file. I will show you practically. If you want to open the VBA code, what you can do is first of all you need to go to developer tab. Click on developer tab. Now go to visual basics. Okay guys, click on visual basics. I will click on this, wait for few seconds, and finally the visual basics for application window will open. Okay, or if you want you can just use the shortcut key Alt F11. Once you press it will automatically open the visual basics for application. Now let me tell you one important point. Whenever if you are using the VBA code in Excel, then you need to close the remaining Excel workbook. This is very important because sometimes what will happen, by mistake if you insert the module of any particular Excel workbook, then the VBA code will not work. So what I have done, I have already closed the Excel file. Okay, previous Excel file. I have taken this new Excel file which is module 2 as you can observe on the screen. Now let's suppose if this window is not appear, let me close this. So let's suppose if you are getting the blank window like this, no need to take any tension. Simply you need to click on view. Just to go to view. Now click on project explorer. Okay guys, click on project explorer. Now you will get this window. Now what you need to do is simply select the file which is already selected, sheet 1. Now go to insert tab, click on insert. Now from here you need to insert the module. This is very important. You need to follow the steps in order to create the own formulas in Excel. Okay. Now what you can do is you can simply paste the formula here, which is a code which is generated by ChatGPT. So this is the code. Go to Excel and paste it over here. So guys, finally I have taken the code which is the VBA code to generate the new formula which is reverse name. Now let's close it. If you want you can close like this, no problem at all. Right. Now let's see whether the formula is created or not. I will simply type here equal to reverse. And once you type, wow, it's completely amazing. Look here guys carefully. Finally ChatGPT has generated the formula which is reverse name formula. Now let's see the power of this. I will select this cell. Now close the bracket, click enter. Wow, excellent, right? So just by taking help of ChatGPT, it has given the VBA code by which you can create your own formula in Excel, which is completely fabulous, right? In the same way, you can drag the formula. Let me double click on this. Finally, you can see the last name and the first name. So basically, we can see the reverse name of each customer name. I hope it is clear. Now let's understand the next question. First of all, I will show you the data. I will just go to the separate name sheet. Inside this, I have taken one single column, student name. Let me zoom in and show to you. Let me use the highlighter. Right. Now listen carefully. Here we can see the student name is Rakesh Sharma. So basically, this is the first name of student. This is the last name. Now there is no space between first name and last name. Now listen carefully. My question is very simple. I want to generate one new formula in Excel by which I can separate the first name and last name of each customer name. As you can observe, the character is uppercase in both right first name and last name. So guys, look at the screen. This is a prompt to please provide a VBA code to create a custom formula for my Excel data. In the employee name column, the names are written without space. For example, Rakesh Sharma or Ajay Singh. I want to insert a space between first name and last name. It is easy to identify the separation because both the first and last name start with capital letters. As I already told you, right? So this is the prompt I am taking, and let's open the ChatGPT. Right. I will copy the prompt. Please practice along with me because when you practice only you will understand this. Now I will simply run this command. And finally ChatGPT has given the VBA code. Let's see. So basically first it will give you instruction. Press Alt F11 insert module. This is the VBA code. What is the formula? Let's see the formula is. Let me zoom out. The formula is add a namespace. Let's see whether it will work or not. I will copy the VBA code. Go to Excel file. Okay. Shakti sir, go to developer tab. Click on Visual Basics. Right. If you want, you can just insert 2-3 lines and paste the formula here. No problem at all. Okay. So it will automatically identify one new VBA code like this. It will assign the line in this way. This is the second formula. Let's close it. Now let's see the formula equal to add a space, right? And finally look here guys. It has generated the formula add a namespace. Press tab on keyboard. Now select the cell, click enter, and finally it's done. Right? In the same way, let me show to you. Yes, let me show to you. Student name Rakesh Sharma, and finally it has given the first name and last name, and it has also given the space between first and last name, which is completely amazing, right? So guys, in this way you can take help of ChatGPT to create your own custom formula according to your problem requirement. No need of taking any tension, just you need to tell the ChatGPT what you need to do and it will automatically guide you. Okay, so it has given add a namespace formula, which is completely amazing. Now let's see the next question of module 2. I will just go to the new sheet. Right. Now listen carefully. Here I have taken one data which contains city and city code. If you notice carefully, the city and city code is merged, right? So basically we can see the test and number values, which is nothing but the test contains city and this is the city code, which is the numbers. Now my question is very simple. I want to create one new formula in Excel by which if I use the formula I can generate the, so basically I can extract the city from this particular cell. In the same way I want to extract the code from this particular cell. If you want to generate the new formula, then you need to take help of ChatGPT. Yes, let's see the power of ChatGPT. First of all, you need to see the prompt, right? Let's see the prompt of module 2 prompt 3. Here I have taken one simple prompt. I want to create two new formulas in Excel using VBA code to separate test and numbers from the cell. It is very simple guys. The prompt is very simple. Just you need to take prompt and give the ChatGPT instruction. I will copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, right, wait for few seconds. Please practice along with me. Okay. I will paste the prompt. Let's see how actually it will generate the formulas. And finally it has given the VBA code. Wait for few seconds. Right. If we want to extract the test, it has given the extract test formula. In the same way, extract number formula, you can just go through it. First of all, we will see whether the VBA code work or not. I will copy this VBA code, which is Visual Basics for Application Code. Let's go to Excel. Right. Alt F11. Okay, Shakti sir. So we have already taken two different VBA code. Let us take one more, paste it like this, Control V. Finally, the code is pasted. Now let's close it. Yes. So what is the code? Let me check it out. The formula is extract test, extract number. Let's see guys whether it will work or not. I will simply take here extract EXTR and finally we can see extract test and number. First we will see the extract test formula. Let's select this cell, click enter. Wow, it's completely amazing. You will get the test right. Let me show to you. In the same way, if you want, you can use the formula extract number. If you want to extract the number from this particular cell, click enter like this. And finally, you can see the city code also, right? Now listen carefully. This is the city. This is city code. Now let's see the last and final question of module 2. Now inside this sheet I have taken status column. Let me show to you. Right. Status column, test column, and this is the email column. Now my question is very simple. From this particular test column I want to extract the email. Here I have taken one email. This is one email. In the same way this is the email. So basically I want to create one new formula by which I can extract the email available in any particular cell which contain the test values. I will show you the prompt. Right. The prompt is very simple. Create an Excel formula using create an Excel formula using Excel VBA code to extract email from the test. It is very simple, guys. Just you need to practice along with me, because practice makes a man perfect. The more you learn, the more you can become success in your life. Okay. Now let's send this prompt. Wait for a few seconds. Let's see whether ChatGPT can work. Yes, it started generating the VBA code, and finally it has given complete VBA code and the formula also. Now what we will do, we will apply this formula. So first we will use a VBA code. Okay, copy this code, go to Excel, open VBA, Alt F11. Okay, now let's insert few lines. Shakti sir, okay Shakti sir, inserted lines, paste the VBA code. Right. Now let's close this, and finally we have entered the VBA code. Now let's use the formula extract. Wow, look here guys, it is completely amazing. We can see the formula, right? Extract email formula. Let's see whether it will also work or not. Extract formula. Press tab on keyboard, select the cell, click enter. And finally we can see this formula has extracted email from this particular test, right? As you can observe, it is Sachin at the rate abccompany.com. In the same way, support at the rate skillcourse.in. Right? Now you might have one question in your mind. Shakti sir, why this email is not extracted by using this extract email formula? Let me tell you guys, we have simply given one simple command to ChatGPT. If you want to extract all the emails which are available in the single cell, so what you need to do is you need to just tell ChatGPT like, let me show to you. Listen carefully. Inside the test, I have multiple emails. So please generate the VBA code so that I can extract all the emails available in the test. It's very simple, right? Simply you need to give the command to ChatGPT, whatever problem you are facing, and finally it will generate the VBA code. Just you need to follow along with me. You need to subscribe to my channel. Alright. Now it has given the VBA code. Let's see. Yes, finally it has given. Copy this one, go to Excel, Alt F11. Perfect. You can replace this complete formula, which is a VBA code. Paste it over here, close this. Right. Now let's see the power of this new formula. What is the formula? Yes, the formula is extract all email. Let's see. I will copy this formula, go to Excel file, paste the formula here. Okay, I got it. So basically it is taking the cell A2 cell. So our test is available in this particular cell, right? B2 cell. So what you need to do is you need to replace this cell. Okay. Take B2 cell instead of A2 cell. It is very simple. Click enter, and finally it's done. Look here guys carefully. It has extracted both the emails available in this particular test, right? Sachin and info at the rate. Okay. In the same way, you can drag it like this. Perfect. Now let's suppose if I add one additional email here, I will simply type here at the rate Shakti at the rate 123.com. Okay. Let's see whether it will work or not. Click enter. Wow, it's completely amazing, guys. Listen carefully. In this way, you can save your time if your data contain email like this. Okay. Now let me tell you one important point. We have already seen how to create our own custom formula in Excel using VBA code. Am I right? Yes. I hope you guys also created all the formulas. But do you know, guys, you can't use these formulas in new worksheet? Yes, I am correct. Let's suppose if I open one new blank worksheet, I will click on this. I will simply use this formula here. Okay. I am taking this extract all email formula. What will happen? Listen carefully. I will simply type here Shakti at the rate 123.com. In the same way, I will type something else. I will type like this. Okay. Click enter. So what will happen? You cannot use this formula here. I have taken this formula. I will change the cell. I will select this cell, click enter. So basically what it is doing, it is not taking the formula. Okay. Do you know why this formula is not working in this particular Excel workbook? If not, don't worry at all. Let me tell you. First, I will open that particular Excel file. Right. Now what we have done, we have taken the VBA code inside this particular Excel file only. The file name is 2 module generate formulas using AI. Let me open the VBA Alt F11. Right. So what I am doing, I am taking the VBA code inside this particular Excel file, which is 2 module generate formulas using Excel. If you want, you can check here, right? This is a module. So this module is available only in this particular Excel workbook. Now you might be thinking, Shakti sir, then how we can use these custom formulas which we have created in remaining Excel workbook? Then don't worry at all. I will show you one powerful trick, just you need to understand. So first of all, you need to cancel this. Okay, Shakti sir. Now you need to save this file. I will press F12 on keyboard. Now finally it will open the dialog box. Now listen carefully. Instead of saving this Excel file as Excel workbook, so basically inside this Excel workbook, we have taken the VBA code, right? We have already written the VBA code by which we have seen how to generate the custom formulas manually just by typing the VBA code. Now what you need to do is, instead of Excel workbook, you need to save this file as Excel macro enable workbook. So basically, whenever if you are using the VBA code in Excel, you need to save that particular Excel file as Excel enable macro workbook. This is very important. Excel macro enable workbook. Okay. If you want, you can save like this. Let me show to you. But our question is different, right? What is our question? We need to use the custom formulas which we have created in remaining Excel workbook. If you want to use the custom formulas in remaining Excel workbook, then instead of Excel macro enable workbook, you need to save it as Excel add-in. Listen carefully. You need to save this file as Excel add-in. Let me demonstrate how it actually works. I will simply click on Excel add-in. Once you click, finally what will happen? The file path will change. Here we can see Microsoft add-in. Currently we have only one add-in, which is Excel Booster tool. I think most of you guys already know what is Excel Booster tool, right? Now look here guys carefully. If you want, you can change the name from here. First of all, I will change the name. I will give my formulas. So these are the custom formulas which we have created with the help of ChatGPT, right? So the file name I will give here, my formulas. Now listen carefully what actually this Excel add-in will do. It will simply store the VBA code which is available in this particular Excel workbook. It will not store the data. Okay. So basically inside this Excel workbook, we can see 4 different data is available. It will not save the data. It will only save the VBA code which is available in this Excel workbook. You need to understand, practice along with me, right? Now let's click on save. Finally, this file is saved as Excel add-in. Now what I will do, listen carefully. I will just to go to developer tab. Okay. Click on developer tab. Now click on this option available Excel add-in. Just you need to go with this option Excel add-in. Click on this. Now finally here you can see different Excel add-ins will be available. Now this is our add-in. Okay. My formulas. Listen carefully. This is my formulas. Click on this. Click OK. Wait for few seconds. Let me zoom out. Right. Now you can see all the formulas can be used in new worksheet. Let me open one new workbook. Let's go to blank workbook. Right. Let me show you the power of this. I will simply type here Shakti. SHAKTHI. Shakti 123. Now let's see whether I can extract test and number or not. I will be using here extract formula ESTR. And finally, look here guys, we can see the formula right in this particular new Excel workbook. So no need of writing the VBA code again and again in other Excel workbook. You can simply save the workbook as Excel add-in and you need to simply add in inside the Excel. So what you can do is you can simply take help of this formula. Let me demonstrate. Wow, it's working, right? In the same way, I will be taking extract test. Let me demonstrate extract test. Okay. Select the formula, click enter. Wow, guys, it is completely amazing, right? So in this way, you can use your own formulas in any Excel workbook inside in your system. So what you need to do is you need to simply add in. How I have shown you, look here, guys. Click on Developer tab, click on Excel add-in. Now from here, you can add in like this. Okay. Listen carefully, you need to simply check this option available. When you check only, then only these all formulas work in remaining Excel workbook. I hope it is clear, right? If you don't want to show the formulas in remaining Excel workbook, you can simply uncheck from here. I hope it is clear, right? Okay, close the file. So now with this, we have done with the module 2. I hope it is clear, right? Now we are moving towards the last and final module of our AI masterclass, which is automation VBA code using AI. Let me tell you guys, this module is completely advanced module. In this module 3, I will show you two different projects. Yes, in this module 3, we are going to see two different projects. If you are ready, then please make sure practice along with me, because when you practice only, you will understand the concept in detail, right? Now let's see the first project of module 3. The first project is merge Excel file using ChatGPT. So what is our project? Our project is to combine all the Excel file into one single file. Okay. So basically we need to do the automation. So what we are going to do with the help of ChatGPT, we will write the VBA code in order to combine all the data which is available in multiple Excel file into one single file. Now, if you want data, then don't worry at all. Let me show you on the screen. Yes, on the screen you can see I have opened one file. The folder is month-wise sheet. Listen carefully. Inside this particular folder, month-wise sheet, I have taken total 7 Excel workbook. So basically, I have taken month-wise sales data. If you want, let me open and show to you. So this is the January data I am taking. Right, I will enable it. Okay, guys, look here. So inside the January data, we can see order number, customer name, city, pin code, product, category, payment date, quantity, and sales column, right? So basically, this data contain only the January record, as you can observe on the screen. If you want, in the same way, you can see the remaining files also. I will open the March file. Yes, now let me tell you one important point. In all the Excel file, the column is same. Listen carefully. In all the 7 Excel workbook, the columns are same and they are in the same order. Like the order number, customer name, like this, they are in proper order. So basically the table structure is same in all the Excel workbook, only the data changes. In this we can see the March data, right? In the same way you will see the July, June, May, like this. Now listen carefully. My task is very simple. I want to combine all the data which is available in 7 Excel workbook into a single Excel workbook. I hope you are understanding, right? Let me open the January file. Right. So basically my task is very simple. I want to bring the February data below the January data. In the same way March data. So basically I want to append the data into one single Excel workbook. If you do copy paste, like if you copy the February data and paste it over here in the same way March, it is completely time consuming. It will take hours of time. Instead of this, with the help of ChatGPT, you can generate a VBA code and just by one click you can get the result. Yes, it is possible. Let me show to you. I will open one new workbook, right? I will close all the remaining Excel workbook. On the screen you can see module 3 prompt 1. So this is a prompt for project 1. It is very simple, just you need to understand it. What is the prompt? Let's see. Write an Excel VBA macro that combine data from multiple Excel file stored in a single folder. All files contain the all files have the same column structure which I have already shown to you, right? When the VBA macro is executed, display a pop-up that allow the user to select a folder. Okay, it is one of the condition we are giving to ChatGPT. After the folder is selected, combine the data from all Excel file within that folder. Create a new worksheet in the current workbook and place all the combined data into the newly created sheet. Now let's see guys whether it will do or not. Just you need to practice along with me. Now let's open the ChatGPT. Right. Now I will copy the code. 1 second. Done. I copy the prompt. I will paste it over here. So this is the prompt I have given to ChatGPT. Let's see whether it can give the solution or not. And finally, it is generating the VBA code. Wait for a few seconds. You can create one VBA micro that does exactly this. Show a folder selection pop up. Let's the user select. Okay, VBA code. Finally, it has generated a very big code, which is completely amazing, right? So no need of wasting your time. Just you can take help of AI tool in order to complete your work. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will simply copy the VBA code. Okay, go to Excel, new workbook I have taken. Right. Now let's open Visual Basics. Click on this. Guys, look here carefully. It will show you my formulas Excel add-in, right? So basically this is the Excel add-in we have added inside the Microsoft Excel. So it will show you all the formulas here. If you want, you can remove this like this. Let me show to you. Just to go to Excel add-in. From here you can uncheck this option available. If you want to remove, you can remove or let it be no problem at all. Let me show you now. Go to Visual Basics. Now this is the sheet 1, right? So this is book 1, sheet 1. This is the Excel add-in, no need to take any tension. Sheet 1, Excel. Now what you need to do is just to focus on the screen. Now click on the sheet 1. Look here guys carefully, click on sheet 1. Now go to insert tab. From here you can click on module. Okay. Click on module, one new window will open. If you want, you can close the previous one like this. Now simply you need to paste the complete VBA code in order to automate. Control V. Finally, I have pasted the complete VBA code. The code is combined Excel file, right? Now let's see the power of this VBA code. What I will do, here we can go to macros. So basically you need to run the macro. We are not generating any formula. We are creating the macro. Okay guys. Now simply you need to click on this macro. Finally, it will show you one macro is created which is combined Excel file. If you run this macro, what will happen? All the files will be combined. Yes, it will be combined. If you want, you can simply run on this. If you want, you can click on this option available run. Let me demonstrate. Click on run and wait for a few seconds. It will ask you the folder. My folder is available in this one. Let me check it out. Practice file, month sheet. Right, this is our folder. Now click OK. Wait for a few seconds. It is working. Look here, guys. Wow, it's completely amazing. Combination completed. All Excel file has been successfully combined. Total rows imported 213. And finally, all the data is combined, guys, just by one click. Using the VBA code, you can see how the data will be combined. Okay. Now listen carefully. This is the January data. Next, we can see the February also. Wow, February. Next, let's see the March. Finally, March, April, May, June, and July. It's really amazing. Let me tell you one important point. AI will not take your job. Instead, it will make your work faster and smarter if you are using the AI tool in the right and proper direction. But let's suppose if you are not using the AI tool, then I can definitely say that AI can replace your job. So make sure you learn new AI tools. Either you can learn ChatGPT, Gemini, and lot more AI tools are available. If you know properly how to use AI tool in your work, then I can definitely say that you can secure your job. So no need of taking any tension. Alright, so friends, finally we are moving toward the last and final project of our AI Masterclass. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now before we see the project, first of all, let me show you the data. Right, I have taken one new Excel file, module 3, customer data, send email. Now let me tell you guys, in this data we can see the serial number, customer name, email ID, and this is the amount pending. I hope you guys understood the data, right? So basically I have taken only 5 customer record which contains serial number, customer name, amount pending. Now let's understand the question. Let me show to you. Right, my question is very simple. I want to send email to each customer. The email should be in this format. Hello, customer name, your amount is pending, like this. I hope it is clear, right? What is my question? I want to send email to each customer. Now let's suppose if I manually send mail to each customer, it will be completely time consuming. because I need to change the customer name and amount pending every time, right? Now let's suppose if you have data of more than 10,000 customer, can you send manually? No, right? So what we can do is we can take help of ChatGPT in order to generate the VBA code, and just by one click you can send mail to all the customers within few seconds. It is completely shocking, right? Yes, it is shocking. Let's understand the prompt. On the screen you can see module 3 prompt 2. So this is the prompt I have taken. I want to send email to all customers using Outlook. My all customer email IDs are available in my Excel file. In Excel file, fields are located as follow. Column B as customer name, column C as email ID, column D as amount pending. So basically we are giving the prompt to ChatGPT. Now I want to send all the emails by one click, and every customer should get email in following format. As I already told you, this is our question. We need to send the email to all customer in this particular format. Hello, customer name. Your amount is pending. Amount pending. Also note my data as a header. So write a VBA code for me to send all emails by one click. Just you need to understand the prompt. Let's open ChatGPT. Right, I will paste the prompt here. Yes, I have pasted the prompt. Now listen carefully. We are telling ChatGPT to generate the VBA code so that just by one click we can send mail to all the customers. Okay guys, let's see the power of this. Let's click on send prompt. Wait for few seconds. It will understand your complete question. Okay. Yes, it is generating the VBA code. And finally, yes. Right. It has generated complete VBA code. Let's see whether it will work or not. Finally, the VBA code is generated. Now, let me tell you one important point. Before using the VBA code, first of all, you need to open the Outlook Classic. Right. On the screen, you can see I have opened Outlook Classic because we need to send mail to 5 customers, right? Then the Outlook should be open. I request everyone to open the Outlook Classic and sign in with your account. Now let's go to ChatGPT. I will copy the VBA code. Let's open Excel and see the power of this. We can automate our task. Let's open VBA window, press Alt F11 on keyboard. Now listen carefully guys. This is the Excel add-in, right? Which is my formulas Excel AM. So basically what you need to do is you need to click on the sheet 1 of this particular file, module 3. Okay. Module 3, you need to click on sheet 1. Now go to insert tab, insert one new module. Click on this module. You can close the remaining one. Yes. Inside this new module only we will paste the complete code. Now let's see the power of this. I will simply type it over here. Right, I have pasted the code, right? Now let me tell you one important point. We don't know whether this code will work or not. So what you can do is instead of sending mail to all the customers, you can simply change this test here. Listen carefully, here we can see send, right? So below this is the end message. Just you need to go to, I think, 10 lines above. Okay, 10 lines above, here we can see one option is available. So basically it is send. Instead of send, you need to type here display. This is very important. You need to type display. When you replace the send with display, you can see the preview of the message. So without sending the message, you can see whether the message is correct or not. This is one important step you need to remember. All right. Now let's see the power of this. Let's see practically. I will just go to developer tab, click on macro, and finally we can see the macro name send pending amount email. If you want to understand, so what I will do, listen carefully. I will just take Outlook side by side. I will be taking Outlook. Okay guys, look here guys carefully, just to practice along with me. I will click on macros. Now click on run. Okay, click on run, select the macro, click on run, and wait for a few seconds. Wow, look here guys, we can see the preview, right? Let me show to you all the previews we can see at a time. Okay, it is completely amazing. So inside the preview we can see hello Sachin Kale. Just to see the comparison whether everything is correct or not. Let me take everything side by side. What is the message? Arjun Malhotra. Hello, Arjun Malhotra. Your amount is pending 3,502. Wow, look here, guys. It is completely amazing, right? Please arrange the payment at the earliest. regard accounts team. It is completely amazing, right? So just by writing the VBA code, we can see for each customer you will get the preview like this. Okay, I will click on nose. In the same way, you can see for Vinod Jadhav 3503 perfect. Wow. Now what we will do, we will change the display with send. Let me show to you. First of all, I will close all these options. Now let's open this one. 1 second, guys. Yes. Now, first of all, you need to make changes in this. Instead of display, you can type here send. Now, let's close this. Now, what we will do, we will run the macro. Click on this. Now, click on run and wait for a few seconds. And finally, all pending payment email have been sent successfully. Let's see whether it is sent or not. I will open the Outlook. Okay. Go to sent item. Wow, look here, guys. All the emails are sent successfully. We can see Rajesh Verma, which is completely amazing, right? Wow. In the same way, Vinod Yadav, you can see values are also changing. Okay. The amount is also changing for each customer name. I hope you guys understood. Let me close this. Right. Click on no. Yes. Let me tell you guys, if you want to send mail to more than 1 lakh people also, just by using this VBA code, simply you need to click on one button and finally all the mails will be sent in just one click. I hope it is clear, right? Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you enjoyed this masterclass, share your feedback in the comment and let us know what you would like to learn next. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.